Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DnD Maps is probably one of the most crucial elements for any dungeon master seeking to craft an immersive and memorable tabletop role-playing experience. A well-designed map not only provides a visual representation of the game world but also aids in strategic planning, enhancing the overall storytelling and engagement for players, transforming simple dice rolls into exciting adventures within a richly detailed and believable environment. Number 5. Mats DND Kit. It revolutionizes your RPG gameplay with a premium polymer material for seamless play. Unlike cheap paper mats, it's durable and crease-resistant. Enhance your game with vivid, easily erasable terrains. It even includes a travel tube for easy storage and transport. Say goodbye to bulky setups. Its compact design fits easily in any gaming bag, so you're always ready for adventure. Experience a flawless battleboard with its anti-slide, stain-resistant surface. High-quality materials prevent ghosting and staining for vibrant gameplay. It's designed by gamers, for gamers, to provide the best tabletop experience. We're committed to quality, so start your RPG adventures with confidence. What we like. It boasts a large playing area, perfect for epic battles. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. Plus, its durable material ensures it will last through countless gaming sessions. If you need a large, all-inclusive kit that's built to last, this is the one for you. What people say. The thickness is a bit like plastic folder material, but it is smoother. The top is very much like laminate. It also rolls up very smoothly and the grid print is very nice, clear and all around just what we wanted. It has a very thick laminate over the map with a high gloss finish which will allow you to remove dry erase marker just as if you were writing on a whiteboard. It is also a very good looking mat with the compass rose being a nice touch so direction can be added for your players. It can take on all markers and cleans the easiest. It is the best looking visually of all the maps and it is a very solid constructed mat that should last a long time. Number 4. Mats DND Kit. It offers a premium, foldable design for seamless play. Say goodbye to creases and damage with its durable material. It includes double-sided maps with 2 immersive designs and a convenient travel box. Everything you need is right here, ready for adventure. It's compact and travel-friendly, easily fitting into any gaming bag. You're always ready to play, wherever you go. It features anti-slide, stain-resistant mats made from high-quality laminate. Enjoy vibrant gameplay and easy cleanup. We offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's designed by gamers, for gamers, to provide the best tabletop experience. What we like. This mat offers 2 different game grids for variety. It's compact and easy to transport, ideal for gamers on the go. The double-sided design gives you twice the options. If you value portability and versatility, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Unlike some other mats that roll up, this one is kind of like a Monopoly board that folds open. A concern of mine was the durability of the mat when you would open and close it all the time, but even after a few months it's still fine, but just handle it with care in the first place either way. It works well with most markers, and speaking of markers, the elocuted ones aren't half bad. I still use them and the write and erase perfectly, even when left on the mat for a while. The board is sturdy and beautiful. I suggest only using black dry erase markers on it, because red and green are much more likely to stain, which is the case with all dry erase boards. Number 3. Mats DND Kit. It offers a premium, portable design for seamless play. Unlike flimsy paper maps, it's durable and crease-resistant, ensuring countless adventures. This kit includes 3 double-sided maps, providing 6 unique terrains to enhance your game. It also comes with everything you need to play, including markers and a convenient carrying case. It's compact and travel-friendly, easily fitting into any gaming bag. Take it with you wherever your adventures may lead. The anti-slide, stain-resistant mats are built to last. High-quality materials prevent ghosting and staining, ensuring vibrant gameplay and easy cleanup. We're so confident in our product that we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's designed by gamers, for gamers, to provide the best tabletop experience. What we like. With 3 double-sided maps, you have 6 different terrains to choose from. This set provides incredible variety for your gaming sessions. The high-quality materials ensure a smooth, enjoyable gaming experience. If you're looking for maximum variety and quality, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Great size, great material. It comes with a good amount of terrain options, a good large size so everyone can see and use their minis on it. It's pretty durable. The quality of the manufacture of this set is excellent. The prints on here are the best pictorial prints of any I saw. The cobblestone, stone tile and greenery are very nice and work well for TTRPG. Number 2. RPG DnD Mat 4-pack. Tired of using the same old tabletop? These 4 mats offer endless possibilities for your next adventure. They're perfect for any fantasy RPG game. It's made from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring it will last through countless battles and campaigns. You'll appreciate its smooth surface and vibrant colors. Each mat features a unique design, perfect for different settings and scenarios. They're large enough for even the most epic battles. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe them down. They're also easy to roll up and store, saving you space when not in use. Whether you're playing Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, or another RPG, these mats will enhance your gaming experience. They're a must-have for any serious gamer. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile game mats. They're the perfect addition to your RPG collection. What we like. Get 4 mats for an affordable price. This is a great value for those on a budget or those who need multiple mats. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to get multiple mats, this is the best option. What people say. Comes with 2 double-sided gloss mats with 1 grid lines, giving you 4 different mat types: white paper, stained parchment, grassy plain and cobblestone courtyard, all designed for dry erase marker. This allows you to put together 4 different encounter maps per game using this set only. The size is perfect for my needs, great quality, dry erase works well. The dry eraser cleans easily. First off, the cylinder container it came in was fantastic and durable. There were 2 mats, double-sided, with great detail resolution on the grass, stone, and parchment prints. The solid white print is just that. These roll up easily and you can use the included plastic edges which slip on in order to keep it flat and stiff on the table. Number 1. Abishai RPG Mat. It's made of high-quality neoprene, ensuring durability and a flat surface for your games. The double-sided design offers both square and hex grids for versatile gameplay. You get 2 grid types in one. Choose between square and hex grids to suit your game's needs. Each side is ready for your epic battles. Personalize your game with ease. Use the clear PVC film to draw your own maps or place printed maps underneath for a unique gaming experience. It's designed to stay flat, no matter how long it's rolled up. Say goodbye to creases and wrinkles, and hello to a smooth gaming surface. Everything you need is included. This set comes with a carrying case, markers, a cleaning cloth, and clips for a seamless gaming experience. It's ideal for Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, Warhammer, and many other tabletop RPGs and miniature games. It's the perfect battleground for your adventures. What we like. Create your own maps using the included clear PVC film. The high-quality neoprene material ensures a durable and crease-free surface. It's perfect for those who like to customize their gaming experience. If you value customization and high-quality materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The map and case are of high quality. The clear layer on top is solid, protecting the map from marker stains. The double-sided materials feel sturdy and erase cleanly without leaving marks. The mat itself feels durable and strong, and the clips have retained their strength over multiple uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.